Hi girlies, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my first ever BOXYCHARM. I'm so excited. I did Ipsy for a year, but I have not tried boxy. Sorry, it's upside down. I've never tried BOXYCHARM, so it's going to be my first time and I'm super excited. Sorry, that's my baby over there. He's excited too. So I'm gonna open it and get my first impression right in front of you guys so you guys can see what I get. I think it's what, September's? I'm assuming so. You get one monthly, it's $21.99, and it's a monthly subscription. You can cancel at any time, but not sponsored, guys. I just wanted to try it out and I'm super excited. So yeah, I did Ipsy for a year. My husband got it for me and I liked it. It's just sometimes like the products you would get in there that are so small, or just things that I didn't like. So I have a lot of like little products and samples there that I just didn't like. Some I loved. So that was cool because you got to see other kinds of brands of makeup that you would never otherwise try. But anyway, so excited. I've been holding it. My husband's like, when are you gonna open your box? I'm like, when I record. And yeah, so I'm gonna open it so you guys can see what's inside of it. I mean, I'm sure some of you already got yours, so anyway, let's get to the video. Do some fancy stuff here. And I thought maybe I shouldn't do my makeup, so in case there's like some sort of makeup that I want to try on, I could, but it's Friday and I wanted to do my makeup, so. Hi, my baby. Hi. Oh, don't mess with my camera, please. No, 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 no. Ooh. All right, so it comes with a little flyer here. Oh, I guess it tells you like what's inside of the box, and then it tells you what it retails for. That's cool. All right, well, that's cool. I'll read it after I see what I got. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4 things just right off the bat. There's more things wrapped up in here in the bottom. Oh my god, I'm excited. Sorry guys, this is like, I'm being a dork right now, but I just haven't gotten makeup like this in a while, like mailed into me like this, so it's pretty exciting. So this is a Tarte Big Ego mascara. Tarte, I'm trying to think what I've ever tried of Tarte. I had a little concealer once that I bought, like a sample size in Sephora, and I know I've tried something else. Ooh, they're blushes. I got it last year in Ipsy and I really liked it, so I'm excited to try it. I can't really try it on right now. I have lashes on, so I can't try them on, but that's cool, and it's color black. And this is Becca. I want to say maybe I got like a product from them last or whatever year I was doing the Ipsy. I want to say it was something small, like a hand lotion, and I mean, I wasn't impressed, so it probably sat in my drawer for a long time. This is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. That's cool. So it's a setting powder. Oh, exciting. Oh, fancy. I'm gonna take the sticker off of it. Sticker, come on. I'm never putting nails on again. It's so hard to do stuff. Translucent and soft. Okay. Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Well, that's exciting. I get to try another powder. Then I have, I don't know how you say this, Ace Beauté. Focus. Ace Beauté. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a glimmer shadow in color Huckleberry, and then the other one is French Vanilla, also a glimmer shadow. see. That looks like. So I'm gonna get up close, guys. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's the French vanilla. It's like a silver. It's cute. Oh, 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 oh. My baby's down here. He's... Hi. Ooh, this one's like a bright purple. So let me. Ooh, so pretty. It's gorgeous. So that's that one. There's more. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. That looks like a palette, so I'm gonna leave that one for the end. Here's a pencil, and this one is Hollywood and Vine. Never heard of it. Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner in color black. This is huge. You never get an eyeliner this big. It's usually like there. So that's a lot of product if you think about it. Ooh, it goes on so smooth. It's exciting. All right, that one's that. And then the next one is, the brand is called Wonder, and it says Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Wow. It says gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil onto fingertips. Massage into skin until fully absorbed. I don't know if it maybe with your skincare routine. I'll see what I do with it. All right, this one it's Luxy Gal. I don't know. So that's that. I don't even know what. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Brushes include, oh my god, they're brushes. It's 3 of them. The brand is Luxy. So the first one is 250 large eye blending. The next one is 246 precision crease, and the other one is 510 foundation. Who would think the brushes would come in this? Ooh, so pretty. They're pink, my favorite color. So that's them, and I'm excited to use them. Luxy. I don't know that I've ever heard of them. And here's the one. This one's the large eye blending. I'm assuming this one's a precision crease. And then this one's the foundation. I'm gonna try using a brush for foundation. See how that works. Maybe I like it better. What's that? Oh gosh. Saving the best for last. Butter London. Look how pretty this is. Whoa, whoa. A little plastic fell off. It comes with 6 colors. Let's see, open up. Look how beautiful. I can't get over this little flowery container. Packaging? Whatever. You know what I mean? I guess I could swatch them, but look how beautiful. Gosh, I have to get better with my eyeshadow. I don't think I'm that great at it. So here it is. I guess we can swatch it. Look how pretty those colors are. Damn, I don't even have space in my hand anymore. Look how pretty. See? It's gonna be my new way of swatching. Fingertips. Oh, I want to do the blue. Let me see the blue. And then the last one is a matte brown. So there's all the colors. Oh, let me know if you guys liked what you saw. Hopefully it'll convince you to maybe try BOXYCHARM yourselves. It's fun, it's exciting to get something in the mail that you don't know what it is, but it's super awesome. So I suggest try it. Alright, so that's it, girlies. Today was a short video. I just want to show you what I got in my BOXYCHARM and let you know it's my first time and how excited I am. I'm going to try all these things out. And I'm going to go because this little one needs his mama now. Yeah, mamas. So anyways, girlies, thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for another video.